Good morning, guys. I pretty much just got up, so I look really tired and I'm not ready for the day or anything yet, but I'm just drinking my coffee. This is what I normally always do in the morning, is just kind of take a moment. I might read my devotion, hang out with the dogs and stuff. So I thought it would be fun to do another what I eat in a day video, but I'm also going to include my husband Joshua in this video, share what he eats too, like what we eat as a couple. I just thought that would be fun because he's gonna be home today. I'm gonna make breakfast in a little bit, just gonna finish up my coffee first. And then later today, not sure if we're gonna have HelloFresh for lunch or for dinner. It depends when it arrives. And then I'm gonna share with you guys whatever meal I end up making from there. It's always delicious. It's a meal kit delivery service, and they are partnering with me on today's video, which I'm super excited about. Also, I will have a coupon code for you guys to get $80 off your first box, which is amazing. So make sure to check out the code, the link, all that stuff. I will also have it linked down below. We just get the classic plan for 2 people, but it's always delicious, always super easy, and we love it. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up my coffee, then I'm gonna get started on breakfast, and we'll see where the day leads us.
So we're making breakfast. Breakfast, making breakfast. Oh, it's recording.
So now that we're all ready, we're going to make some breakfast. In my last what I eat in a day video, I showed you guys how I make avocado toast a lot of times. But today I'm just going to make a smoothie, just something quick and simple. And I don't feel in the mood for something heavy, kind of like the avocado toast. I'm a little picky, so I don't put many ingredients in my smoothie. But I'll show you guys what I do. Smoothie time. So when I make my smoothie, this is all I do. It's very, very simple. I don't even know if it's that healthy. It's just what I do. I really don't know if it's
combined. On paper, it looks healthy.
1 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, 1 banana. I just think it tastes good. That's really, there's something on this. That's really the only reason why I make it, because I think it tastes good. And then I'll just do like a handful or 2 of some frozen strawberries. But you could add blueberries in, or whatever fruit.
A handful or 2, and there's a 3rd handful.
Well, the strawberries really make it. Okay, and then Joshua and I went to GNC recently, and I picked up this Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. So I guess it's good for your skin, hair, nail, and joint support. It says it's unflavored, which I don't know if that's the complete truth. So all I do is I take a little scoop and I pour it in there. I do feel like it makes my smoothie taste a little bit different, like maybe the texture is a little bit different, but it's not like it tastes bad or anything. Now, just for the video, I'm going to put it in this very fancy glass. I never put it in this fancy of a glass, but I thought it would just make it extra special for today.
Normally it's a blue Solo cup.
People will get mad at me though for using plastic. And here she is. Wow, doesn't that look beautiful?
Yeah.
Like I should be on the beach right now.
Put some greens on top.
Oh yeah, that's good. Glad I put that extra handful of strawberries in. Now, Joshua's breakfast, on the other hand,
A little different.
not super healthy.
I in no way have ever claimed that I'm a healthy eater. This takes a little bit longer, so I'm not going to do this one today.
Those are like when we have a lot of time in the morning.
Yeah.
We'll take our time. I'll eat some.
And I've got a waffle maker that I use, so.
But we're not doing that today. But we just thought we would show you guys some for fun.
I have these. They're like.
You can find these in the frozen aisle.
Yes, you can. But I have some secret ingredients for my waffles.
The toppings is where it goes downhill.
This is where it goes all awry. Because they're still hot, you put some peanut butter on. This adds to the protein content, also the fat and calories and this, that, and the other.
If you're trying to lose weight, I don't suggest eating this.
Which I'm not.
What's our next secret ingredient? Oh, baby.
Cool Whip, everyone. Cool Whip.
This does look delicious. I would like to eat this. So much Cool Whip. Oh my word.
To spruce it up, you always need your little delicate. That's more for looks. And there we have it.
Oh, let's face it, you love it. Cheers to our breakfast.
There's a hair in yours.
Oh, darn it.
Thanks for joining us for breakfast. We'll see you at lunch for what we eat in a day as a married couple.
Okay. The dogs were just going crazy, so we know our HelloFresh box has arrived. Don't worry, I've got it. Can't wait to see what's in it. Basically, HelloFresh is a meal kit delivery service for those that don't know. And we get the classic, which comes with 3 meals in it for the week. I especially think HelloFresh is amazing. Like, when we first got married, I had no idea how to cook anything. And something like this would have been really, really helpful because, let me see the recipes. So they give you, like, you know, one of the recipes, and then it's all listed out exactly what you need to do. So that's what I really love about it too. It makes it super simple and easy, takes you out of your comfort zone a little bit. So these are actually my favorite meal that I've ever gotten from HelloFresh. We got it one other time, and I actually keep doing this recipe like on my own all the time just because it's like my favorite meal. This looks really good. I think we've gotten this too. And then what is this one? Figgy balsamic pork. We've gotten that too, and it was so good. But if we make this for lunch, we're totally making the fajitas, baby.
Yeah.
Inside your box, it's like in this insulated box. You can see how organized it is. 3 little bags of food. Tells you what each meal is. And then you have all the ingredients in each bag, exactly everything that you need, so you're not wasting anything. And then Joshua just took out the big ice pack, but there's 2 ice packs in this one. And then there is our meat right there at the bottom. So I'm gonna start cutting up my veggies and going to crack open a little Diet Pepsi for a pre-lunch treat. What are you guys having for lunch? Oh, what are you gonna have? You like some of this, huh? Hi, buddy. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Do you guys want a snack, maybe?
Sit. Good boys. And good jobs. There you go. Go on.
I cut up my veggies. I'm going to add them to this pan. What are you gonna have for lunch?
The same thing.
No, this is what I'm eating.
Oh.
It also says for me to mix half of the seasoning into my peppers and onions. Oopsie. I'm just gonna blend her around a bit. Gotta be very precise here. Oh my gosh, this is literally my favorite HelloFresh meal we've ever made in our entire life. It's the best one. Don't I make it all the time now?
Yeah.
I really do. I really do, guys.
Hello everybody and welcome to ASMR. We'll be cooking lunch. I'm gonna take a sip of this Diet Pepsi.
What are you doing?
ASMR.
Okay. All right. Are we on?
Mm-hmm.
All right. There are 2 things that really take this whole recipe to a new level. That is taking the tortillas, sprinkling the cheddar cheese on them and placing them in the oven for a little bit. It just kind of gives you like that restaurant fajita vibe. The second thing that takes this recipe to a whole new level is this sour cream. So they give you a little sour cream thing right here.
Oh, I love the HelloFresh sour cream.
Okay, so, and I make this on a regular basis now. Like whenever we have Mexican night, this is kind of a staple now. We have to add a little bit of lime zest. This is the only way I know how to get lime zest is with a cheese grater. If you guys have any other ideas, let me know. Okay, but this seriously takes the recipe over the top. And just ignore our dogs in the background. They're just really playful today. Okay, and then you add like a teaspoon of water, but I had to kind of eyeball it. Then you get out your miniature whisk. Maybe I shouldn't have eyeballed that water. And then, once you cut your lime in half, you can squeeze a little bit of lime in there, and it just makes it really delicious.
Now get them tortillas into the
Tortillas are
oven.
going in for like 2 minutes. Oh yeah.
Look at the tortillas.
Oh my gosh. They're going crazy. I did leave them in a tiny bit longer than I was supposed to.
We're having pillow tacos.
They look delicious though. Ooh, ow, hot. Okay, I think we're good. This one needs like one more red pepper. Maybe one more for good luck. Okay.
And there it is.
Wait for the important part. I'll get out a golden spoon. This is the ultimate. This makes it like a restaurant right here. We really like that stuff.
So I was going to tell you guys my trick that you
Is
put the
that
sour
good,
cream
or do
on
you-
first so it's even, but
Oh. Whoops. Do you want more chicken or is that
That's
good? Okay. So I didn't do Joshua's trick.
so we'll just sprinkle it on over top.
Yeah, I mean, I took the majority of it for myself, so. And it's all gone.
Good. All right. There we go.
Let's eat. Woohoo! Favorite lunch ever. If you guys haven't tried out HelloFresh before, make sure to check out the link and the code that I'll have here on the screen. Also, it'll be down below in the description box and get $80 off your first box, which is so cool. And I hope you guys like it. Let me know down in the comments if you guys end up trying it. Okay, I just got back from the grocery store, got some dog food and some stuff for dinner. I always like these vegetarian grape leaves. They're super good. Our grocery store carries them like that. And then we got some pork sausage links, so some Italian dogs. I'm kind of obsessed with getting these. I get them all the time. Joshua doesn't really eat them, but whenever he grills, I usually just like him to put like 1 or 2 on for me. Maybe another one for like the next day if I have it for lunch or something. Oh, we have to show them these. And then Joshua kind of got us on these. Now, sometimes we do like make our own like meat patties or whatever, but Joshua found these and now we've been kind of hooked on them. They're the Wahlburgers. Let's see if it's focusing. Wahlburgers burgers. They're super good. And in the summertime, I just really like it when Joshua grills. I like his grilling, and if you guys saw our deck video, it was probably my last video. We're basically having that exact same dinner as I shared that night in that video.
Yep, we are.
Yeah, but that's our favorite. I'm gonna take these out and let Joshua grab the burgers in a second. What is going on out here? Now, we might not have the best grill in the world, but we have the best griller in the world.
I have to get my seasonings first.
Oh, okay. So what's your secret to making it taste so good?
Tastes so good?
Mm-hmm.
So I season it with steak seasoning.
What?
Montreal steak seasoning, and then some garlic salt. And the trick to get that flavor is to just pour it on.
I never knew this. Wow, that really is a lot.
Yep, because they're thick, so you gotta put it on, and then this is gonna sit down on bottom. So I always put a lot on, because this is gonna sit on the bottom, and we want it to flavor up the bottom section there. So now you just kind of stick them on.
Oh, no. It'll be fine. Flipper on there.
Then you set the timer.
Set the G-Shock.
I try to go a little slower with the cooking. Get it nice and even. I don't like to just zap it, make it like a 5-minute burger. 10 minutes each side, approximately. And then I gotta get those bratwursts on.
I didn't know you did 10 minutes each side.
Oh yeah, girl. A contained mess is the easiest mess.
It's so true.
So now we're all cleaned up.
Thanks.
And the burgers have already been on for 2 minutes. Brats have been on for about a minute. Hi, buddy boy!
Are you guys ready for some dinner? Alright, we're about to eat dinner. And... oh, what? You're hiding the Diet Pepsi?
No, just kidding. Cut that out.
So... Joshua made the burgers. He's not having an Italian dog. You never really have the Italian dogs.
Nope.
But he's having a couple burgers.
I get one with a bun, without a bun. Less carbs. I had all my carbs for breakfast.
Right. We'll pretend the mac and cheese isn't there.
Also, yes.
Okay. And then this is kind of like my favorite. The Italian dog, the burger, some stuffed grape leaves, might dash into this potato a little bit. We'll see. Alright guys, so that was it for this What We Eat in a Day as a Couple. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to click the like button down below. Subscribe if you're new, or if you haven't subscribed yet, leave a comment down below. Let us know what you eat in a day, because we could use some more ideas, huh? But hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you really soon in my next video.